Hi everyone, here is how you can remove your front bumper on Dacia Logan by Renault. So first you can remove the top screws. You have 4 of them like this. Let's see how is it on the bumper. So 1 here, 2, 3, 4. Then you will remove, as these are Torx keys, and then you will need a spanner. I think its size is 8 or 10, and also your Torx keys. You have 8 screws on the bottom under your car. Quite easy if you lift up your car. Then just disconnect the lights, bottom lights. Just pull on the plug. Okay, last screws are the most difficult ones, are the one on the side here, and you have the same one on the other side of the car. So on the car you will have to pull like this. Yeah, you will have to pull because the hole is here. So I think the size is 8 or 10 again. So you will have to put your spanner here and remove this screw. Okay, then you can pull all of it. It should come quite easy. And to put it back the same way, just present your front bumper and start to put screws back in place. Thank you guys, bye.